Hello automotive enthusiast. 2026 Mercedes AMG C63 SE Performance. Can a 4-cylinder hybrid replace the V8? AMG built its reputation on one thing above all else: big engines, thunderous soundtracks, and enough V8 brutality to shake entire tunnels at full throttle. So when Mercedes AMG replaced the legendary V8 inside the C63 with a turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid system, the internet exploded. Because for enthusiasts, this wasn't just an engineering update. It felt personal. And honestly, on paper, the idea sounds almost absurd. A 4-cylinder engine replacing one of the most iconic V8 performance sedans ever built? That sounds like automotive sacrilege. But then you look deeper into the numbers. 671 horsepower. Formula One inspired hybrid technology. Electric exhaust gas turbocharging. Sophisticated all-wheel drive. Suddenly, this car becomes less about tradition and more about engineering warfare. The moment you accelerate, the hybrid system completely changes how the C63 delivers power. Instead of relying purely on displacement and noise, the P3 hybrid architecture combines instant electric torque with an electrically assisted turbocharger that eliminates traditional turbo lag almost entirely. The response feels immediate. Violent. Because AMG engineered this powertrain to behave less like a small turbocharged engine and more like an electrified performance weapon constantly operating at peak efficiency. The electric turbocharger is the real masterpiece here. Borrowed directly from Formula One technology, it keeps boost pressure ready even before exhaust gas is fully built, meaning acceleration feels sharp and relentless no matter the RPM range. That level of responsiveness used to require massive displacement. Now it comes from software, electrification, and advanced thermal management. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Performance numbers alone don't define an AMG. Emotion does. And this is exactly where the debate becomes fascinating. Because despite the incredible speed, some enthusiasts still miss the old V8 character, the deep mechanical rumble, the raw aggression, the sense that the car itself felt slightly untamed. The new C63 feels different. Sharper. Smarter. More calculated. Almost like AMG traded chaos for precision. And honestly, that may perfectly represent where the entire performance industry is heading. Governments demand efficiency. Engineers chase electrification. Performance brands fight to preserve emotional identity while adapting to a radically different future. The C63 SE Performance exists directly in the middle of that battle. After dissecting the 2026 Mercedes AMG C63 SE Performance, one thing becomes impossible to ignore. The future of performance may no longer belong to the loudest engines, but to the manufacturers capable of blending electrified intelligence with genuine driving emotion without losing their soul in the process.